time and I miss your face.
Hey guys, so this is me setting up my mirror. It was a very big mirror, but the tape I used was so bad that it broke into pieces. So that made it quite difficult, but eventually we finished, as you can see from the beginning of the video.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am Chelsea. You know what I'll say today. I'm going to do knotless braids on myself. I'll be using these. They are called Expression and they are already pre-stretched. I don't know how long these braids are going to take me, but I have an event on Sunday, which today is Tuesday, so I'm hoping by Sunday I should be able to be done with this braid. So let's see how it goes.
We disco as your brown eyes are play. Those around can keep the pace, we'll carry the groove. I can see you straight, but I think I'm staring at you now. Oh, I swear I'm fine. Okay, maybe just a little drunk. Oh my God, I went stumbling to say so much. Yeah, baby, I'm sorry, you better hold back, 'cause I'm a swing and deal with this temptation again. Till the liquor comes so fast. I want to hear it from you. I wanna deal with this temptation again. Till the liquor comes so fast. I want to hear it, baby. Yeah, deal with this temptation again. Till the liquor comes so fast. I want to hear it from you. I wanna deal with this temptation again. Till the liquor comes so fast. I want to hear it,
If I could tell you what I'm like this, it's because I don't know enough about myself to have enough to give. If I could tell you, hey, how to make me trust you, I'd say you couldn't. I saw us break the moment I met you. Sing sweetly to me, but you're always in the moment and I'm always fighting free. I sing lightly your praise, 'cause I know it's coming the day that you leave. Yes, it was mutually that you leave. No, you didn't break me. That you leave, I'm just trying to move my feet. Can't be sad at the disco, sad at the disco. The ball spins fast and I can see myself reflect off of the mirrored pieces. Maybe if I worked harder I wouldn't need to project all my dreams and desires onto another archive. But I'm all out of luck. I'm lost but I yearn for love. Sing sweetly to me, but you're always in the moment and I'm always fighting free. I sing lightly
Guys, I'll never recommend this for anyone. Like, you shouldn't try to do your own hair. If you have money, just go to someone, let them do it for you. Like, it's so tiring. It's so tiring. Like, I'm not even anywhere. This is day one. I'm praying I finish like this part of my head, and then from tomorrow when I do the back, you understand? Going to make breakfast, eat, and then continue later. I'm too tired.
I do, but I can't help. I'm selfish, girl. I want you. Do you want me to? Do you want me to? Cut to it's a Friday night. We at a function on Fifth. I'm looking for you like a satellite. So if you wanna dip, let's dip, baby. There's a spot that nobody knows. We could take a little trip. If you feel it and you're comfortable, then I'm wondering, can I get your number before you walk away? We could sneak out on the weekend. Give me the time and place.
Hey guys, so I'm done braiding the front. I'm tired. Let's start with the back, and I'll continue when I wake up. I want to take a nap. I woke up too early today, and it took me about 6-7 hours to finish just the side. The lines are not perfect, but I don't know if I'm the only one. Be looking in the mirror, 2 mirrors and pattern doesn't work for me. It's like I'll be doing like this. When I look in the mirror, I'll be doing like this, and the mirror will tell me that I'm going to the other side. I don't know if it's only me. It's very difficult when I look in the mirror to part lines. So I'm going on a break. I'm about to sleep. I'm just gonna leave this like the lines are for the back. I'm going to do it basa basa because I'm tired. It's really tiring. It takes a lot of time. So yeah, we'll continue later. Hey guys, so I'm back to doing my hair. I've started the back. Now I'm not looking at doing a very like straight lines. It's the back, and it's very difficult. Like, I don't know, I have a problem looking through the mirror and then doing the lines. So I'm just going to do it as best as I can, but I'm not going to focus on making straight lines because who am I showing it to? It's just for myself. So yeah, let's get right into it. Again, I'm hoping I finish today, or almost finish, like 3 out of 4%. Then tomorrow, I'm hoping I can do out like 3 out of 4. Then tomorrow I do the 1 out of 4, and then that's it. And it's not. I knew it wasn't going to take me for a week. Like, how can I braid for continuous for 1 week? I can't do that. So I'll finish tomorrow, and I can go back to my life. This thing has taken the whole day. Like, I would not recommend this to anybody.
Get your number before you walk away. I wanna know all of your secrets. Give me the time and place. Tell me, what do you say? Freeze up, knees up. I get nervous just to look at you. I do, but I can't help. I'm selfish, girl. I want you. Do you want me to? Do you want me to? Freeze up, knees up. I get nervous just to look at you. I do, but I can't help. I'm selfish, girl. I want you. Do you want me to? Do you want me to? Through summer and fall, through all of your faults, through summer and fall, yeah, you'll be with me. It's your number.
Hey guys, it's 2:33 a.m. and I'm on the last braid. I find it difficult to do it. So I'm going to bed after braiding this one, and then tomorrow I'm going to add I have some extras left. I'm going to make curls on it, and then I'll curl the ends, bend it, add moves and all of that. But right now I'm just done with all the braids. I'll finish this one and then That's it. It's been really tiring. I was expecting it to be really longer than this, but I think I've done well for doing this in less than 24 hours. So yeah, I'm excited. Hey guys, it's morning, it's day 2. I'm done braiding my hair. So now I'm waiting for my lighter from someone. I've started crocheting some of the hair in it because I'm going to curl the tips and then do some curls on it. So that's what I'm going to do now because my lighter is not yet in. I don't know what to do, so I'm going to just curl the tips. When the lighter comes in the afternoon, I'll bend the rest and then add my nose and stuff to it.
Know all of your secrets. Give me the time and place. Tell me, what do you say? Freeze up, knees up. I get nervous just to look at you. I do, but I can't help. I'm selfish, girl. I want you. Do you want me to? Do you want me to? Freeze up, knees up. I get nervous just to look at you. I do, but I can't help. I'm selfish, girl. I want you. Do you want me to? Do you want me to? Through summer and fall, through all of your faults, through summer and fall, say you'll be with me. Know all of your secrets. Give me the time and place. Tell me, what do you say? Freeze up, knees up. I get nervous just to look at you. I do, but I can't help. I'm selfish, girl. I want you. Do you want me to? Do you want me to? Freeze up, knees up. I get nervous just to look at you. I do, but I can't help. I'm selfish, girl. I want you. Do you want me to? Do you want me to? Through summer and
Hey guys, welcome to the end of the video. I am done braiding my hair. It took me about 24 hours, give and take. So this is the end results. I'll attach pictures when I'm all dressed up and ready for work. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want something similar. It's not very easy, like doing your hair is very difficult, but I love the outcome. See you next week with another video.